Hey guys, welcome to Meg's house, and in today's video I'm showing you how I organized all my gifts from my baby shower. Well, not all of them, but some of the gifts from my baby shower, and how I decorated my daughter's nursery. So I decided to start the video with some pics from our baby shower. This is where we did receive all the items, mostly for my baby. Here's some photos inserted with my husband and son as we were celebrating the moment. So guys, it took me so long to actually get into this room. Like, I was dreading every day as I would come to the door, look around, and then like turn back around for the longest, just because like I still was working. But anyway, as you can see, we had just so many boxes and bags and everything to go through. That baby bullet, I cannot wait to use it and like make my own baby food and mixtures, combinations, recipes. Like, I'm so excited about that item. This was the baby bag that we received, and it actually really is convenient. Like, it has some insulated side pockets that's like good for keeping your items, I guess, hot or cold. And then who doesn't love like the baby shoes? I think of all the gifts that we did get, clothes had to be like the number one thing. And I guess with a girl, to me, you're more likely to get clothes and stuff because everybody just likes to shop for a girl. Like, they have so many different items. This was a cute little like tummy time book. I guess it's supposed to be for the baby to be able to lay down, and you know, when the baby is lying on their belly, they can like do different little tasks, and you can fold it different ways and whatnot. And it even has a mirror that the baby can like see themselves, I guess, for self-recognition and whatnot. But anyway, it was just clothes, and we literally popped all the tags off of everything and washed all the items before. So you know, I don't think I've ever been tired of popping tags, but in this moment, it was wearing me out because, yeah, we had to take it off of everything, from the shoes, the headbands, hats, and all of it. But when I tell you the cutest little outfits and whatnot, back there, oh, that's my mom back there, by the way. She was definitely a great help that day. So we had that's the little cart cover, which is so cute. I always love those. I had that for my son when he was a baby. We received so many diapers and wipes, and I'm so thankful for that because Lord knows these kids run through the diapers like it's nobody's business. But as you can see, we started clearing out the room, and there's my son Colby come and visit as he tries to put a bottle in my mouth. I don't know, the little boy, he's something else. But anyway, we made like a whole wall full of the Pampers and wipes, which y'all will see later in the video. These are like the Honest little wipes and diapers. I actually like this company a lot. I need to research it more. I don't know if it's just like Target's like baby company, like how Walmart has Parent Choice. I think somebody was trying to tell me. So I kind of want to look it up. And even if it is, like, I really like the items. Like, look, that was the cutest thing ever. Like the Mommy and Me or Mini Me little matching sock set. That's so cute. And even this little tutu headband and shoe set I thought was adorable. Like, I want to do like a photo shoot video, how to do a photo shoot at home video. So make sure you guys look out for that. I'm probably going to put that on my baby for the photo shoot. We did receive another little carrier. This one was pink and white. I like all the duplicate stuff too, because then that way some stuff can go in my vehicle, then other stuff can go in my husband's vehicle, and we don't have to like keep switching everything out back and forth. So a lot of the stuff that we did get double of, I just kept it. And look how cute. My coworker and friend purchased this from Target for me. These are the closet dividers, which came in handy when it came to separating clothes by the age. And I just thought that this little pink little infant toilet was so cute. And it really has like a little handle that flushes and makes like a toilet flushing sound. I'm like, is that not cute or what? Another little mommy organization hack that I found in this process was to keep the baskets that everyone made. Like, I emptied them, and then whatever I wanted to use them for in the future, whether it be to put like my daughter's books in or like the diaper genie bags, whatever, I just stored all of that in those different little baskets. So that worked out. This was also, I think this was supposed to be a diaper organizer, but I actually ended up using it for like all my bottles and like cups, pacifiers, all that kind of stuff. Just anything that needed to be washed and goes in the kitchen. I used that for that instead, and I think it worked out really good. I do like that the inserts inside can be adjusted to meet whatever needs someone has. And there's my husband coming back again. He's like off of work and looking at everything that we're doing. And yeah, as you can see, the boys come and then they go. And that's the end of that for them. Here's another little tummy time prop and play set. This is the Boppy newborn lounger. So I actually thought that this was like the little thing for breastfeeding, but no, there's a lounger, and then there's the breastfeeding support pillow, which I did have both. So this is a few days later when I realized that I needed to get some type of drawer set to organize everything in the room, just because, especially with so many clothes, like I needed something to put the clothes inside of beyond just the hangers in the closet. And as you can see, I have definitely trailed off. I'm looking at all of the cute little items to go in her room instead. I mean, Target does it to me. I just can't help myself. Like, everything is so cute and just everything I want when I go in there. Anyway, so making it back, as you can see, like part of us organizing was just grouping everything. So diapers, wipes, bath time stuff. That's my husband trying to put the little, we end up getting the 3-drawer little system that they had. I think it was on sale and everything. But like, yeah, and it was so many things that we had to put together, from the stroller to a little mini rocking chair that we had. And as you can see, like with the clothes, like I had to sort through the socks, and then I did everything like from newborn to 0 to 3 months, 3 to 6 and whatnot. So I had to sort through all of those items, which again, I'm so thankful for every little thing. Like, we will not have to get anything for a while, and that's a blessing to be able to say that. So thank God, and thank just the people and loved ones in our lives and whatnot. But these receiving blankets, oh my goodness, like you can never have too many of these. And now for the moment we've all been waiting for. I want to welcome you all to the nursery. Oh my goodness, and did it not come out beautiful? Now, the room was beautiful to start with. It just had a bunch of stuff all over the place, but look how wonderful everything came out. Like, I just loved it. And I mean, this girl, she's coming into this world in style, okay? Like, I feel like this is modern and chic. I decided to use this pink and white box as like a little holder for all of her headbands, hats, and whatnot. And then I sorted through the drawers. I decided to put the clothes like upright so that I can like see everything. I know some people like to roll it, which is still an idea. Like, maybe later in life, if I choose to switch that, then I will. And then I used the bottom drawer just for her socks, extra blankets. But I just loved how everything was nice and organized. And then I put it like 0 to 3 months. Again, the 3 to 6, 6 to 9 and whatnot. Like, everything was sorted. Then I used this organizer to like do her towels, like some wipes over here, bibs. You saw receiving blankets above. This is like a little sleeper couch. You probably saw it in my beauty room video. That's when I first got the couch, and I still am in love with this couch. And one of my favorite pieces in the room is this fashionista black Barbie doll with the natural hair. This girl got curves and a little pudge. I'm like, okay, Barbie for the real world figures, okay? Talk about representation matters. Here's her diaper warmer. My husband was like, she not even here yet. Why you got it turned on? I don't know. I just got excited. Okay. And then there's some hand sanitizer. That's important because people need to keep their little germy fingers off your kids. That was like a little piggy bank that my son painted at his summer camp. So I thought that was a nice little touch in the room. And then here I got this from Marshall's or Target, one of them, and it's just like for phone chargers and whatnot. And then I put like all of her baby like bathing stuff all inside of this little fox bin, which I mean, these things may change like once she gets here and I'm trying to figure out the functionality of it. Actually, I may make some adjustments, but for right now, again, it's just better to have everything stored in one spot. And then as you can see, those little closet dividers came in handy. I really did go through and sort everything. Here's that wall of Pampers I was telling you all about. It's like, this is just one of those things that make you say, thank you, Lord, because people didn't have to do that. So, yeah, I tried to organize everything again by the stages, ages, whatever was on there. If something was extra, I did store it in a closet if we weren't using it as of right now. But I just loved how everything came out. We're using a bassinet for right now, but we probably will switch to a crib eventually. And then, of course, we got to have a mirror for selfies. And in terms of artwork, I just decided to keep the artwork that we had in the room. I just think it all came out so great. Thank you so much for watching. Again, make sure you hit that like button down below. And until next time, turn your lights on.